Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. 58 degrees outside and sunny right now. Looking pretty good. We got John J. first in the chat. Pudgy second. John J. Pudgy, Auto Bro. Pudgy, Old Rounder. John J. Nick F. Good morning to you, Nick F. We got Auto Bro. John J. Peter. John J. Pudgy. Gorilla Invictus. Pika Power. John J. Thank you very much for the fist. Boom. Fist. Boom. Fist. Boom. Fist. Bump, baby. John J, man. Thank you very much for the fist bump. Really appreciate that. We got Peter, Pudgy, Pika, King, Patrick, J-Bones, John J, King Mamba, Pika, Power, Pudgy, Francis, Matthew, Francis, Pika. What else we got? JB, yes. Francis, JB, Francis, Pika, Pudgy, Geo, Francis, don't be so salty, and JB, all of you guys, good morning to you. Let's check out the market and see what the market's doing right now. AMC in the top left, sitting down 8.25% today. AMC sitting at $5.19, man. Just keeps going lower and lower. Where are we in terms of this weekly graph? Or this daily graph? 518. We are at the absolute lows, guys. We are breaking through this major level of support that we had back here in, about to break down this wick right here. You're talking April of 2021. The lowest of the low supports before any of this stuff began happening. If we break through this and we start to see $3.50, if we go through $3.15 on AMC, we're right back to where we started. That is crazy. Before we even started. That is nuts, man. I actually cannot believe that AMC is sitting this low today, down 8.18 or down 8.14% at the moment. And then you got Ape, man. Ape is sitting down here at $1.41 right now. Major losses over the last couple of days here. And we've watched it go from $1.49 up to about $3 and all the way back down to $1.41 right now. Ape getting hit very hard as well, man. AMC and Ape, both of them not doing too well today. And a major decline there. My gosh, dude. The overall market, the QQQ, is doing not so well today, down 0.30%, but it's bouncing off the intraday lows. So if it does not break through this level, you could get some action with a call there, buy a couple call options, and make some money as it bounces back up. If it does break down, guys, if it breaks this little level of support right here, you can make some money to the downside. So keep your eye on that, but it looks to be bouncing off this intraday level of support at the moment. Keep that in mind. Bitcoin doing the same thing as the overall market right now, but nonetheless, $20,600 is much lower than the $21,300 that we had just like, I believe, yesterday. Let's see. Good day, King Mama. Francis, glad to have you in here. That's no good, Pika. Hope you're feeling better now. Good, Pika. I'm glad Pika feels good. Patrick, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, thank you very much. Oh, no, Patrick, I'm saying, thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee, Patrick, man. Thank you very much for the water. Patrick always knows when I'm thirsty. And he gives me a good old drink of water. Thank you very much, Patrick. Appreciate you, dude. We've got Simonino coming in the chat. What's going on, Simon? How you doing today? Morning, King Mamba. Yes, Clay Broski. Jay Broski. How you doing, JB? Crow chart is so wild. Crypto.com chart. I have not looked at the chart, but I got a lot of notifications over the weekend for Crow, man. Up 5%, down 5%, up 5%, down 5%. So let's see what Crow is doing right now. Chronos. 12.21 cents at the moment. It is, first of all, let's say, hey, do those funny things. Be salty. Steve Dawson, man, I don't know if you meant pour the salt out on the table and then throw it over your shoulder because it's good luck and you gotta... Oh, but it tastes so good, but it stings in your eye. I don't know if that's what you meant or not. Steve, thank you very much for that super chat, man. Really appreciate that, dude. I'm good. Done work. Chilling. There you go, JB. Anybody else off work right now? Yeah, nice. Well, no, it's like, what, 5 o'clock for you, man? You definitely had a long day already. Hey, JB, are you guys doing daylight savings time or end daylight savings time, whatever it is? Did you guys move your clocks, or are you moving your clocks? I thought we weren't doing it, but apparently we did it. Apparently we did it, man. Anyway, let's go look at Chronos right here. Let's look at it over the last couple of days. Yeah, pretty volatile, man. Coming down from the 11-cent range, going up to about 12.5 cents. Back down a little bit right now. But if you're looking at the 3-month here, man, 15 cents down to 10 cents. I like Chronos. I like Crypto.com coin. I don't know if I necessarily like it at 10 cents yet with the current market that we've got going on. But, dude, when you see this type of action right here, shoot. Let me ask you, who's buying Chronos? Who's buying Chronos at a penny? Anybody out there buying Chronos at a penny? Any of you guys buying Crypto.com coin at a penny? I'll buy it. I'll buy it at a penny. Nope, not in Arizona. Out here, we grown up past that fake time thing. I wanted to, right? I wanted to grow up past that fake time thing with all the clocks and all that stuff, but apparently I'd be the only guy that is not abiding by the correct time. And then it just, I don't know, wouldn't really work out for me. Bones Inu, Chocolate, Daily Simons, I'm back about 4 p.m. And dark already. I hate it, JB, when it gets dark so early, man. Someone has moved to their clocks. Market didn't start till 1:30 a.m. tonight, just after 4 a.m. right now. Yes, Francis, we have moved our clocks over the weekend. John J! Thank you very much for the super chat, John J. Please ask the 8-ball. Will Shiba Inu jump over 3,500 points per coin after election midterm results? I've got you, John J, and we will ask it just like that. Magic 8-ball, oh Magic 8-ball. Will Shiba Inu jump over 0.00003500 after election midterm results? This is going to be a good one. Ooh. My reply is no. Come on, I can do this. Can you see it? You can see it, right? My reply is no. 8-ball, dude, telling it like it is on that one. Magic 8-ball telling it like it is on that one. John J. Unfortunately, the answer is no right now. Clint Matic is having a nice run, but I was wondering about it. Couldn't confirm this, but is the coin supposed to remint its burns to keep a perpetual supply of 10 billion? Patrick, that I actually do not know, man. That I actually do not know. Anybody that's looked into Polygon a little bit closer, I haven't looked into it very closely, so I don't really know the ins and out of Polygon burns. If any of you guys do, what do you know about Polygon burns? So it does not, everything that I'm seeing here shows that Polygon is burning. So based on what I just read through over here on this right here, it does not say that it's reminting the burns. It does, however, say that it is burning very, very small amounts of Polygon. Not huge amounts, but they wanted to make it deflationary, so they are burning, but it doesn't seem like the burns are very strong. It's raining, so dark, damp, and the leaves are falling. Depressing weather. JB, that does sound like depressing weather, man. All my leaves are gone. I mowed this weekend. Beautiful weekend, man. 70 degrees outside. I mowed the lawn, chopped all the leaves up. I don't know if I'll have to mow again at all this year, but yeah, dude, all the leaves are off the trees in my yard, and then it is... that's kind of depressing in and of itself. You don't even have the nice colors of the leaves anymore. You just got dead-looking trees. Hope y'all having an amazing day. T, hope you're having an amazing day, man. It was a blip of an article regarding Maddie, but couldn't find any further info. Gotcha. At least based on that, dude. That's me just, Googling really quick to see if I could come up with anything. But those articles were just talking about burns. They didn't talk about any of the remints. See you this weekend, Nick F. Yes. Yes. Guys, if you did not know, Nick F and I are going to be hanging out this weekend. Well, now you know. So technically, if you didn't know, now you know. Now everybody knows. Yes, Nick F. We're going to be hanging out this weekend. Heck yes. Question. Is it wise to assume that after midterm results are concluded, no matter what the results are due to less uncertainty in political... No matter what the results are... Is it wise to assume that after midterms are no matter what the results are, due to less uncertainty? Oh, I think I got that. No matter what the results are, there's less uncertainty in the overall market, so we may start to see an increase in price. Possibly. Devil's advocate, possibly. My immediate reaction to that is that no matter what the results are, I think it's going to further fan the flame of political divide and that uncertainty, because I truly believe that no matter what side wins, what side loses, there's going to be a lot of problems and a lot of disagreements. After that phase, after everybody stops arguing and being upset with each other and all of that stuff, then yes, we may begin to calm down a little bit and so on. But I think we got to go through I think we're going to have to go through some pretty rough news for a while following the results, dude. But I completely see what you're saying. After that initial shock period settles down, then yes. But I think no matter what the results are, I think we're going to go through some pretty annoying times. And a lot of people very mad for quite some time. I don't know what the time frame is going to look like, but I think we're going to see some annoyance in the markets for a while. Hey, did you know that the more money you use to buy a token, the price changes and goes higher than what you tried to buy it for? Killer Peja, I did not know that. So what are you saying, dude? If you go out there with $100 to buy $100 worth of the token, you're automatically going to get less tokens than if nobody went out and bought it. Is that what you're saying right there? Cool, but having to follow the LUNC proposals passes, and what does it mean for the price per coin? You know what, LT Gray? I don't know, because you can have two contradicting proposals out there at the exact same time. And if technically they were both passing, that would be very confusing to me if both of those pass at the same time. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Lunch for you and Nick, and dessert to follow. Nick, we're going to be eating a hot dog for lunch, man. We're going to dip that hot dog and we're going to shove it. And after we eat that hot dog, it's going to be nice, dude. We're going to take a little bit of a banana snack. We're going to lick it, and we're going to stick it. And after we're done dipping and shoving and licking and sticking, we're going to say, Claybo's peach. Claybo's shaved peach. Oh my gosh. Patrick, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely loving it. I don't even know if Nick F is still in here or not, but we will be licking and sticking and dipping and shoving and peaching all afternoon long. Yes, man. JB, 15 likes. Pathetic. You want all right? Yeah. You guys better click that like button. You better click that like button, or JB's coming after you, man. JB's coming after you. You want to fight for your right to rumble. Yes, JB, 1.9 billion Powerball. Go get your $2 ticket. It is $1.9 billion, guys. I got to see this cash payout. Is the cash payout $1 billion? We got to look at this really quick. Hold on. We got to see this Powerball cash payout. Ooh, it could very well go to $1 billion cash payout by the time the lottery comes up tomorrow night, right? It is tomorrow night? Oh, tonight. Tonight's the drawing. I thought it was Tuesday. Tuesday's Mega Millions. This is Powerball's on Monday, right? $1.9 billion, guys. $1.9 billion. Should I play it? Is anybody else playing? Could you walk away with $929 million? Oh my goodness. Devil's Advocate! Thank you for 13 months, man. All my money given to you for this message is for lunch also. You're welcome, bro. Eat up. The water will be on Devil's Advocate. The water will definitely be on Devil's Advocate during lunchtime. Facts on that. Thanks, Pig. It was a gift. I didn't even pay for the membership. Some lovely person gifted it to me. Pika, Rozzy, Moji, Kenneth. Probably one of those. I don't think it was Josh. I think Josh gifted before you. Gorilla, 462 million or something. Yeah, dude, I'm showing $929 million right there. Oh, after tax, yeah. After tax, dude. I'd still walk away with that. I'd still like all of that money. Arthur C says, go and get yourself $2 on the Powerball. One line can change it all. Oh, man. All right, so it looks like I'm probably going to have to go to the gas station. So I'm going to have to go to the gas station in between live streams here and go grab a Powerball ticket. Yeah. I'm thinking of 3 gas stations right here. I'm thinking of 3 gas stations, okay? The 3 closest gas stations to my house, okay? I'm gonna label them, not from distance, closest to furthest, but from me thinking about them. I've got gas station number 1, I've got gas station number 2, and I've got gas station number 3. If I do decide, they're all fairly close. If I do decide to go to the gas station in between live streams and pick up a $1.9 billion lottery ticket, which will be the winner. It is guaranteed. It is not going to be a loser. I do not lose. Do I go to gas station number 1 to get that winning ticket? Do I go to gas station number 2 to get that winning ticket? Or do I go to gas station number 3 to get that winning ticket? I want to know what you guys think. I know which ones the gas stations are. You don't. They're not in terms of distance. They're just the ones that I was thinking about in my head. Patrick, go get you a ticket, Clay. We're going to make it happen, dude. We're going to make it happen. 2 of you guys said go grab a ticket, so we're going to grab a ticket. I'm wondering, 1, 2, or 3. Which one's going to sell me the winning ticket? It's a trick question because either one that I go to is going to sell me the winning ticket. I just want to know which one you guys think. Which one do I go to? The nice area. They're all technically nice. If I had to rate the gas stations between niceness and like the actual gas station itself, I would say 1 is probably nicer, 3 is probably the second, and then 2 would probably come in 3rd place. If I had to rate on niceness, that's the one I'd go to. 1 for... Ooh, JV says go 1 each, man. Technically, I could go 1 each. They're really not that far from each other. Go do a 2. All right, so we got a 2, the nice area. We're all 3, man. You guys are saying all 3 for sure. That's 2 all 3s, actually. Number 2, Clowny says 1. This is pretty much evenly split, guys. You're giving me... So we've had like 2 number 2s. We've had like 2 or 3 go to all of them. You guys are really bad at answering questions. There's like 4 of you, and you each like 2 and 2. Come on now. What are you doing with this? Gas station 2 and 3. Patrick says go to gas station 2 and 3. We're going to make 2 and 3 happen. Guys, is that what you think? 2 and 3 at 7. I'm not going to gas station number 7. I don't even know where that would be, man. Emma D says gas station number 7. I don't even know where gas station number 7 would be. I'd have to think of 7 gas stations and then go to the 7th one that I thought of. I should think of a couple gas stations that are further away and then come closer for number 7. That's what I would have to do for that one. If you win, do we all get a cut as we are helping you out? Oh, yeah, dude. If I won $929 million cash, dude, think about that. I could throw you guys all. How would I want to do it? I would rather put you guys in my trust fund, man, so that we could somehow evade the taxes with it and you guys wouldn't have to get double taxed. Because I'm not going to sit here and get taxed on it and then make you guys get taxed on it too. No, we're not doing that. JB, you're going to have to help me avoid some taxes by giving everybody in here a cut, dude. We ain't going to play none of these tax games where you guys get taxed on your mill after I get taxed on my mill. Patrick, for good measure, go to all 3. Oh my god, dude. We might actually have to roll to all 3 gas stations right now. Darn it, man. You guys are giving me my time for it. You guys are cutting my live stream in between the breaks down pretty quick there. So, all 3 gas stations. All right, well, shoot, man. We're going to make it happen. We're going to win $1.9 billion tonight. And if I win tonight, I can guarantee we're just going to show up. There's not even going to be a graph on the screen tomorrow, man. There's not even going to be we're going to have a wheel. We're going to play that little wheel game that I got. Or we can just play Royal Rumble or something all afternoon long. And in every winner, like the win, okay, reward, 800 gold goes to JB the zombie in that one. Those are just going to be dollars, man. They're going to be dollars. And if we get like 500 people playing, it's going to be massive amounts. Just every Royal Rumble game. We're going to be celebrating during the live streams tomorrow. There will be no graph. It'll just be Royal Rumble all afternoon long, and the winners are actual dollars instead of Royal Rumble gold pieces. Yeah, that's what we're doing if we win the lottery tonight. Yes, sir, you will win. Arthur, I love it, man. A mil each to the current list of folks that hit the like and are subscribed. Gorilla Invictus, I like it, dude. I like it. Bones, cold and rainy here. How you doing? It's actually 59 and sunny here. It's not that bad. A little cold, but nice out. Joyce says, I need to win and save my daughter's house. Joyce, I don't have a daughter's house to save, so you've technically got a better story than me. But as unfortunate as it may sound, I've already claimed that I'm going to win. So technically you can win too. It's just that if you win, you're not going to be getting the full 929. You're going to have to split it with me because I've already said that I'm going to win. And yeah, you might have a better story, but doesn't mean that I'm not winning. Still waiting on my shirt or sticker pack. Victor, yes you are, man. Victor, you getting a sticker? How long you been a member, Victor? You getting a shirt there? I see that diamond, bro. Doesn't it turn skull, bro, when you hit a year? Or does it turn diamond, bro? No, it turns diamond, bro, when you hit a year. The gorilla is before a year. Gotcha. Yeah, Victor needs a shirt too. I have a fingerprint Clay Bros sticker on my window. Nice, JB. That's a very good sticker. Pika, no more and never more. But I was pouring coffee, which is very important. Emma D's an ignorer. Emma D better not be an ignorer. What are you doing? Oh, no, I already clicked yes, then I clicked out. No, I'm definitely playing. 13 months. Yes, Victor gets a shirt then. Victor, what size are you? I got extra larges and I got larges, man. I don't think you're a medium. But I do have extra larges and larges. Chris says, I know I'm late, but I also don't care. I like it, Chris. Clay, I've watched the videos, but still, when is this catalyst happening? Or better question, when is Shiba ripping? That is a better question, man. So Shiba Inu coin, the next major catalyst that it's going to have is Shibarium. If I'm going to be honest with you, Chris, because I like you, dude, I don't think that the simple release of Shibarium is going to do much more than spark a lot of interest. And it could increase the price with the release of Shibarium, right? Because people are talking about Shiba and all of that. I don't think it's going to rip the price higher. I really don't. So if you've got the Shibarium release, let's say next month or by the end of the year or something like that, I don't think it's going to just knock the price up to 3,500 points per coin, 5,000 points per coin, or anything like that. I think what we're going to end up needing to see is that bull market to return for those large prices, or those very high prices. But nonetheless, if you're looking for a quick 20, 30, 40% gain, 50% gain, the Shibarium release could do that, man, because people are going to be excited about it, they're going to be talking about it, and they're going to be hyping it up for a while. Other than that, if you're looking for some more massive gains, you need the bull market. So my strategy would actually be, and could be, with my Shiba Inu coin, if Shibarium comes out, dude, and we do get a 40, 50% price swing, take some profits or take the profits, and then bounce back in later. I'm not going to lie, dude. I think, and this isn't to like get everybody depressed about this upcoming week or anything. I really don't care what the results are. I think that these elections are going to cause some trouble. I do. And I think that I think it's going to cause some trouble for the markets with the nonsense that we see afterwards, and regardless of who wins, right? I think that you guys can agree that whoever wins is like great, but it's people aren't going to accept it. They're going to be mad. They're going to be upset. The world is going to be ending and all of that. So I think we're going to have some pain to go through before we actually see some signs of a bull market returning. Example, I was going to drop 200 on Tectonic when it was at 1550 and press the button to preview and buy, and it shot up to 1580, but I still had the 10-second mark to buy. Really? Killer Patient, where were you buying it? Were you buying it on crypto.com? Or were you buying it somewhere else? That's interesting, man. You know what you should do? I don't know if you and like anybody else in your family or some of your friends have accounts like that, but you should see if they get the same price spike. You know what I mean? Like they have no intentions of buying it, but they just go in there and open it up and see if they get charged a premium, or see if the spike jumps up on their screens as well. Or maybe crypto.com is just hitting you with a premium for buying, man, which is not cool. It's not fair. You'll need a new channel if you win. They call it Ghost of Claybro, and live stream a picture of your winning ticket and nothing else. Dude, for the rest of eternity, man. Just make sure that live stream just stays up there. It's a picture of the winning ticket. Boom. Good to go, man. Good to go. Or it would be really cool, like if somebody did win and you got the winning numbers, just get a fake ticket and say that was you. Imagine how many views that would get. If like the person didn't claim it yet and you just live streamed that for a while, you could probably have a lot of people fooled. Pay off all the debts first and free parents up also. Nice, JB. I've been buying Bitcoin here and there, like $100. Hey, Champagne Poppy, that's not a bad deal, man. If let me show you something that I was posting about on TikTok over the weekend. It is pretty interesting. The best way I see it, everything been going down. If Nance P gets kicked and the reps take over, then the neutral zone, by then 2 years, things can start to go up. Chris, listen, man, that's an absolute possibility, right? And the way you see it is correct. Everything is going down and all of that. And without sparking some sort of like a political debate or anything, that I do think I think you're correct. But imagine in the meantime, though, imagine how many people are going to be upset if that's the trajectory that we're on. And that chaos that can ensue afterwards is, I mean, the chaos that can ensue afterwards is possibly worse than the bounce or the recovery would be when we get to that point in time. That's my concern. Like, that's my major concern with it, right? We need a regime change. That's what yeah, but imagine, like, my thing is, though, we're going to have to go through some pain. Coinbase always shows USDT at even or plus 1% when you want to buy it, but negative 1% when you want to try to sell it. So they skim you an extra 1% when you try to cash it out. Matthew, yeah, dude, that's probably their spread, dude. That's probably their spread. If they can make 1% or 2% on every trade that takes place, you're guaranteed to make money if you can just generate the volume. That's all you got to do at that point is generate volume. Let's see. What was I just going to look up, though? Was it for Chris? Was it for somebody else? Leo, I don't think the Tectonic is burning right now, man. I don't think they have a burn campaign going on. Oh, no. Now I know what it was. All right, this is what I wanted to look at here. After I say, Pika Power! Pika! This one is for my bro sisters, Emma, Danelle, and Francis. Listen, I just cut my hair. I don't know what this horn is going to look like. It's probably going to be a small horn, okay? It's probably going to be a small horn because it just cut my hair. Cut me some slack. It's all right to have a small horn, okay? Even unicorns have small horns. Even unicorns have small horns, Pika Power. It's a small little horn, it is. Pika! Thank you very much. Pika Power for the King Unicorn. Absolutely loving it. Oh, and check this out. Check this out. So, you know how Pika Power, she's got me this coin right here, right? Pika Power's got me that lovely coin. Look what my uncle gave me over the weekend. Nice, man. I gotta show you guys this. Hey, uncle, if you're watching right now, thank you very much. Now I've got a Shiba Inu coin, right? I've got my Shiba Inu coin, and I've got my Bitcoin. So thank you very much. I've got my Shiba Inu coin and my Bitcoin now. Nice, man. Nice. I like it. Uncle, if you're out there listening, thank you very much for that. Really appreciate you. And, no, I really like that Bitcoin and my little Shiba Inu coin. Skystonify! Thank you for the mustache, Skystonify! Thank you very much for the mustache, Skystonify! Thank you! Thank you very much, Skystonify, man, for the mustache. Oh my gosh. Hopefully you get your headphones in and they're turned up very loud and you are able to hear all of that right now. We have coffee. We do have coffee. Chris, I don't know if I learned my lesson or not. Keep buying Shiba every now and then, waiting for whatever. But still just kind of waiting. I kind of like the good old AMC play that took a crap thinking about some Bitcoin. Yeah, dude, look, Bitcoin, I don't think you're going to see the same types of gains in Bitcoin that you can see. Sorry, man, I'm choking right now. I don't think you see the same type of gains in Bitcoin that you see in some of these other coins. But Bitcoin, dude, I think Bitcoin's got a very strong future, right? So if you're looking at doubling, tripling, quadrupling your money over the next 5 or 10 years, Bitcoin's going to be a solid investment to do that. I truly think Bitcoin hits 100,000 plus at some point in the future. And can you go wrong with it? Well, yeah, dude. I mean, what if the next 2 years it goes back down to $1,000 a coin? You know what I mean? Like, it's got its downside risks as well with everything that's going on in the market right now. But Bitcoin is a pretty solid play, too. I do have a little bit of Bitcoin right now. Wait, so what I did was I checked it by buying $10 increments when it was $15.50 preview and it was $15.46. So, Killer Peja, what are you saying, man? It's better to go in with a little at a time? Or it's better to go in with that just $100. So $10 increments is better than going in with $100. Is that what we're saying here? Steve Dawson, none of that here, please. Yeah, Steve. I don't even know what Steve said, but you've yes. So Captain, I will be. I hope all of you guys do as well. Even if you just want to take a little time off work, man. I don't know. Your state should require your work to give you some absence there in order to go vote. So I would recommend, even if you guys are voting for or against whatever I would be voting for, I do recommend going to vote. Even if you guys just want to take some time off, man, go grab a coffee on the way in and vote. You should probably do it like during work instead of going after work when everybody thinks that they're going to go vote and then you're sitting there for 3 hours. That's probably not going to be... Nobody wants to stand in line for 3 hours, so... Go in the morning, or just take like a half hour off work on your way in or something, and make it happen at like 9 or 9:30, 10 o'clock, when you should expect a lot less people to be there. Everybody, Dark Bro wanted me to let everyone know his internet is out and there is no ETA. I want to be back. Hopefully he will be in the live stream. I'll keep everybody posted. King Mamba, man, thank you very much for letting us know. Dark Bro, we want you back, man. Kill the algorithm, Dark Bro. Get your internet working again. Everyone's seen the Optimus Prime robot. That was the awesome one that walks, transforms, and programmable commands. Too good. I don't think I've seen it, man. $800, 15. Huh. I don't think I've seen it, JB. Sounds pretty sweet, though. 28 degrees in Minneapolis. Maybe we'll get heavy snowfall in a couple of weeks. Gosh, dude. I don't want to start talking about snowfall yet, man. I really don't. I got a like decently steep driveway, and oh my gosh, dude, if you don't snow blow it, you're not going anywhere. It's terrible. Hey, I get what you're saying, but what's better gains when you've seen no gains on plays that were supposed to bring theoretically unlimited gains? Yes, any gains. Any gains are better than no gains, Chris. I do agree with that, man. I absolutely agree with that. What I'm saying, like, what I'm kind of thinking, though, is I personally, and don't take this as wrong, like, if we do bottom, but if for some reason the market really reacts positively to the election results throughout the week here, and we bottom out at that point, it is a possibility. Elections are a very, very strong catalyst. There's something that you can't ignore. I mean, you just can't ignore them. Whether you agree with them or disagree with them, they're a very good indicator of what direction markets are going to go and how people react to things like that. So definitely don't ignore the elections here. I personally think we go lower. I think we got better shots coming up to buy a little cheaper. But nonetheless, man, gains are not moving. Any gains better than no gain. You're absolutely right. Roulette wheel, man. Roulette wheel says, how's it going? Hey, Roulette, man. Look how relaxed. Roulette, how's it going? Hey, Roulette, man. How's it going? Roulette, dude. How's it going? Thank you very much, Roulette Wheel, for the how's it going super sticker. And to answer your question, it's actually going pretty well, man. It's actually going pretty well. Thank you very much for asking. Dude, Pika Power, when did he say that thing with the unicorn? He was being, whoa, ow, 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 ow. No, corny is what you meant, dude. You accidentally, I'm pretty sure the C is close to the 8. Yeah, close enough, dude. Corny is what I was being. Steve doesn't accept it, but I'm the potty mouth mob with no seniority. Sorry, bud. Gonna go squeak Pika. She has spoken. Something, try it. Killer Peja. I will have to try it, man. I will have to try it. I'm not gonna try it right now, but I will have to try it. I don't know whether to save the economy or the minorities. It's a tough decision, man. It's a tough decision, Captain Fat, man. It's a tough decision, right? What do we go with? Well, like one evil or another evil at this point of the game? Well, I guess if you're, what do you get? Utilitarian? Is that what they call it when you got to go with the greater good? No economy. Doesn't matter, minority or majority can't exist without an economy, right? So, I don't know, man. You just basically saying one evil over another. Which one do we go with? I wasn't even the one who removed the comment either. Oh, nice, Pika. Hi, Clay. Watching from the Philippines. Irene. I don't recognize your picture in here, Irene. So thank you very much for tuning in from the Philippines. Really appreciate you being in here. And welcome to the channel, Irene. Appreciate you. Optimus Prime toy may become a collector's item, but we'll have to wait a long time for that to happen. I gotta see this toy, man. You guys are all knowing about this toy that I don't even know about now. Oh, I gotta show you this, though. Gosh, I'm glad I clicked on that. So this is the Bitcoin rainbow chart. And a lot of guys are showing this out on the interwebs with YouTube, TikTok, and so on. Say this is like since inception of Bitcoin here, and started off they've got the lower end and the higher end, and anytime that Bitcoin is trading in this blue range, it's basically on a fire sale. You've got to buy it. You've got to buy it. If it goes to this red oversold range, you've got to sell it. Or overbought range, you've got to sell it at that point. So this rainbow graph theoretically puts Bitcoin right here in the 20,000s, right? It puts Bitcoin in an absolute fire sale and says that it will not come down below that price point right there. It will not drop down below it. I disagree. I say that there's so much going on in the overall economy and the overall market and everything with interest rates and inflation being higher than they've ever been when Bitcoin was in existence. Just because Bitcoin is at the lower end of its ascending trend does not mean that you can't break down through it. So if you see anybody else kind of quoting this chart right here and so on, yes, it's a nice trend line, but nonetheless, man, there's so many external factors that could absolutely break Bitcoin to the downside. The fundamentals always trump technicals, and that's what we could see happen here. This is a very nice technical analysis of Bitcoin, but there's a lot going on that could drop it lower. And since it's a very popular thing, I like how they got their affiliate links down here for Kraken and Binance. Very good. If people are signing up to buy crypto, probably making some affiliate trades on Kraken and Binance as well. Now I need to see the Optimus Prime one. Great. So looking at Shiba, thought it had a burn on the trade, but it does not burn on trades. Looking at how in the world they ever plan on killing down the massive 1 Q trillion. So Kenneth, yes, there's no burns on trades for Shiba Inu coin. They have told us when Shibarium comes out, every trade on Shibarium will have some sort of a burn mechanism. And what percentage, they have not said. But Shibarium could theoretically burn a ton of Shiba Inu coin, because it's not just going to be on Shiba Inu coin transactions. It's going to be on any transaction on Shibarium. So anytime somebody trades Bone, anytime somebody trades Ethereum, anytime somebody trades a Bitcoin, anytime somebody trades a Matic, anytime somebody trades Cardano, anytime somebody trades anything on Shibarium, it should have burns. So theoretically, we could have massive, massive volume on the Shibarium blockchain, and even a small fraction of that massive volume burning Shiba Inu coin could be good. I don't know if we'll ever get to that high of volume, but that's one thing that they've been talking about and trying to promote the Shiba Inu coin burns with. Let's see. Where are we at? So it is a happy chart, roulette wheel. It is a very bullish chart, though. I mean, it really is a bullish chart. I want to see this Optimus Prime toy, though. Gosh, dude. Thousands, $1,100. This is not a toy, man. What do you do with it? I don't even understand what you do with this toy, though. So you basically tell him what to do, and then he does it? Dude, $750 toy is not a toy. That's all I gotta say. You better not be playing with that thing if you buy one. You better keep it in the box if you buy one of those things. Let's see. Look at the inverse of the 2014 break upward out of the rainbow trend. It closely resembles a break down soon to come, in my opinion. Yeah, and it very well could. If you are looking at that, I did see that. Where did it go, man? Yeah, there you go. So you're talking right here when it broke up out of that trend and shot way down here to $128. Okay? Breaks to the upside and then shoots way back down. What she's saying is we could break to the downside and then shoot way back up. So very, very, I don't know if this is likely to happen, right? Because I don't think that 2014 was comparable to anything we're seeing in 2020 right now in terms of inflation, interest rates, the crap going on with Russia, the stuff going on with politics and elections and everything else that we've got going on right now. But technically speaking, not any fundamental drivers, yeah, that could absolutely happen. And we could break down to the downside and then spike back up nicely afterwards. Looks like it's transformed that back in the 80s. Kenneth, it does, but yours wasn't connected to your phone, man. Fully automated. Transform, kick, speak, punch. I mean, it technically would be cool, right? But you can't play with it, man. $750, you can't be playing with $750 toys. Can't be doing with that. The rest of your program had to do, watch him do the martial arts. My gosh, man. We get toys just sitting there teaching martial arts. That is not bad. It's not a bad idea. Think about that. You could get a toy to actually teach these kids martial arts. They could be programmed like a little martial arts robot. Teaches your kid martial arts. And all that stuff is basically, all that stuff could be taught by a robot anyway. It's not a bad idea, JB. If I buy it now, I would be too worried about breaking it. Yes, roulette wheel, I can guarantee you, man, you should not be playing with it. I had the Decepticon with a cassette that I could transform into a bird. Forgot his name. His voice was phenomenal. Recently, or are you saying you did? Like back in the day, you had one. Let's see. Cassette player figure had a cool way of talking. You guys are talking old school. You guys are talking old school Transformers, right? 1500 with automation. Gosh, dude. I think it was Soundwave. Yeah, it could have been. Bro, Scott, I don't even know what we're talking about right now, man. Soundwave was an underrated character in the Transformers series. Donnell is green. Donnell is green. Donnell is green. Donnell is green. Donnell, thank you very much for grabbing that green name, becoming a bro. Absolutely loving it right now. Guys, 73 of you say welcome back to Donnell right now. Donnell, thank you very much for grabbing that green name. Absolutely loving it. And I hope you get 73 welcome back Donnells in the chat right now, guys. Don't disappoint me. Please welcome Donnell back to the chat. Let's see. Easy Ride says, click. I have here for almost 3 months and didn't get a bro shirt. I got accused of not being able to dress myself and made fun of on your show. Easy Ride. Easy Ride. One of these days, you will get a bro shirt, dude. One of these days, it'll be good, I promise. Guys, little market update right now. Bouncing back slightly off the early morning lows here, but AMC sitting down 7.5%. It's $5.25. Shiba Inu coin still in the green, but slightly in the green. 0.42% higher at $11.88. GameStop trying to bounce back in the bottom right, sitting at $25.94 right now. Bitcoin, $20,687, down 1% on the day. And we could be retesting those $20,000 per coin levels of support right here. So we are on our way back down. Could be testing $20,000 if this trend here continues on. The thing that I like right here, just looking at this graph, is that we may be hitting an ascending trend line. So if you're looking at these higher lows being hit, That's not a bad start. So bouncing right off this line right here, a breakdown could obviously cause us to retest 20,000. But nonetheless, this is an ascending trend line, which would be nice if it held up. If we go up the line, we can see that the NASDAQ still not heavily in the red, but still in the red. AMC, like we say, down 7%. Ethereum, slightly green today. Shiba Inu coin, slightly green. Dogecoin, dude, Dogecoin's about to turn red here in a second. Dogecoin, like 1 or 2 cents, and it's, well, 1 or 2 tenths of a cent, it's down. Bitcoin, slightly lower today, getting ready to test some intraday lows. We've got Sundial down barely. Mullen Auto down pretty heavy today, 8%, 25 cents per share. Frank, if you're out there, man, do you still have your buy at 20 cents on Mullen Auto? CEI sitting up 16% today. Not bad at all for CEI. SPY is sitting around break even. BBIG losing pretty heavy today, back down to 78 cents. BBIG's lows were 67 cents, guys. BBIG seems to break this level of support that it has here, that it's been testing in this 80 cent range for a while, and moving down pretty heavy on today's action, down over 10% at the moment. Highcroft Mining, 72 cents per share, not as bad as the 50 cents per share we saw a couple days ago, but nonetheless down on the day. Netflix, $250 per share, down 2.5%. Terra Luna Classic sitting sideways right at this major support level, 22,000 points per coin. QQQ basically break even at the moment, and Ape is sitting at $1.44 after bouncing off lows at $1.41 earlier, kind of barcoding at the moment and sitting sideways there. But an overall difficult day for the market and the crypto market. Let's wait and see if Bitcoin breaks down even further, what it's going to do. Emma D! Hula Hooping King Monkey with banana from my bro sister. No, I got you, Emma D. Thank you very much. We've got a hula hooping monkey right now eating a banana. Thank you very much, Emma D, for the hula hooping king monkey. Nobody does it better than I do. Nobody does it better than I do. Thank goodness I still have my 8. Yes, you do, Danelle. You do not have to start over. Do not forget this Powerball number is going to be 6. Oh, my God. I got you, Pudgy. I got you. I still might go random, but if I get a 6, I'll know that I've won. John J. for Emma D. What? Tonto. Jump on it. Jump on it. Oh, my. I'm going to tell you this right now. John J. This one I cannot do, man. I cannot do. Lasso above the head, spin around, pretend to ride a horse. Well, that I can do. But the whole jump on it thing, I got no rhythm for that one, man. I got no rhythm. So, lasso above your head right there, right now. We got to spin around. There you go, man. That I can absolutely lasso and pretend to ride a horse on that with the whole like jump on it. No, I can't. That one's beyond me, man. I can't even fake that. It's just well beyond me. Time to cook up a fat steak and eggs. I like it, JB. Block TV. Are you related to John J? Quite possibly. Block is in here. Okay, Pudgy. Now I have to go buy another ticket. With 6 is the Powerball. Joyce, that you do. We gotta win. We gotta win, Joyce. Casper, bro. Talk about it. You talking about the mattress, or are you talking about some coin called Casper that I do not know about? You were talking about a coin that I do not know about. So let's look at it really quick. Steve Dawson, man, I gotcha. Where are we going here? Back over to this chart so we can see Casper at the moment. Casper, guys, got a $418 million market cap. Very high volume for a coin that I'm unfamiliar with. $15 million traded, and it is currently sitting at 3.9 cents per coin. Casper has been out for a very long time, since May of 2021 here, about a year and a half. And after it being introduced at $1.33, has done nothing but go down in value. There's no way this coin was $1.33 without printing more coins. So let's look at the market cap. Yes, so we could see here that they have been minting a massive amount of coins. How do we know this? if you look at the price, and you can see the price is drastically lower. Lost basically 90-something% of its value, going from $1.30 to 3-4 cents. Falling that low, you would expect the market cap to go down, but the market cap has drastically risen. So more and more and more and more and more coins are constantly being printed. Now the good news is, it looks like they should be reaching their total supply here pretty soon. They've got 10.5 billion in circulation, and they've got 11.2 billion that there can ever be. So I wouldn't expect much in terms of more printing of Casper, but nonetheless, that's one of the reasons you've watched the price fall so drastically, is that they've been printing or minting so many new coins here. Nonetheless, man, I don't know what these guys do. Don't know if it's necessarily a good coin or not, but kind of breaks down why the price was falling as much as it was. Combination of a bear market plus mass printing of new coins there. In the short term, doesn't look like it's doing too bad, though. 3.8, 3.9. It is a gain on the day. The monthly chart kind of just sitting sideways for the last few weeks here, but so is everything else in the crypto space. Pika Power! Anybody with a gray name better get a green name right now. Transparent Trading got that green name again. Loving it. Bryce Woods grabbing another green name. Love it. JB, man. JB. Click on that. Enable your gift receiving and get that green name from Pika Power. Let's go, JB. Click on Pika Power's thing. Enable your gift receiving and grab that green name. Loving it right now. Guys, we need 3 more people to accept. Look, this is wild. Everybody's got a green name in here now that we can't even give away green names anymore. Like, you can't even get a green name. You can't even get a green name because everybody's got them. Ridiculous, JB, man. Click on it. Click on it, JB. Simon! 180 chin. Yeah, buddy. Show those dang biceps, brother. Lightweight, lightweight, lightweight. Shake it, baby. You got the 2 salt shakers. You pour the salt shakers out on the table. When you're done pouring it on the table, you throw it over your shoulder. And because it tastes so good, you just gotta... It goes all over, and it gets in both eyes, man, and it stings so bad. 2 is not always better than 1. 2 is not always better than 1. I can't even see. Simon, man, thank you very much for 2 salt shakers. Absolutely crazy, dude. Absolutely crazy. 2 salt shakers is more than I can handle. Steve, man. Casper is a layer 1 blockchain. Don't forget, Clay. I will not forget, man. I will not forget. You know, and it does have a very high market cap for a coin that I'm unfamiliar with, right? $400 million market cap in this bear market is not bad. Yeah, that's still a very strong looking coin, man. It's still a very strong looking coin that doesn't look like it's just going to disappear during this bear market, man. How do I get a green name? Midnight Blitz got a green name. There's 2 more green names to go. Joyce, click on that thing that Pika sent. Pika sent that big green thing right there where it says Pika gave away 5 memberships. Click on that, and I think you should be able to enable gift receiving. And when you do, it'll probably give you a green name, considering there's no more gray names in this live stream here. Joyce, you're too late. Too late on that one, Joyce. Hef got a green name, and JB got a green name. Nice, JB. Nice, man. Yeah, Joyce. So for the next one, if you enabled gift receiving on Pika's here, the next one you should be good to go. You have to make sure that you click on that big green thing that Pika sent over and enable your gift receiving there. Raul says, I need one. Raul, make sure your gift receiving is on, dude, and there's a very, very, very good chance that you get a green name the next time somebody does a giveaway like that or something, because there's very few gray names left. There's very few gray names left, man. Thoughts on AMC after earnings tomorrow? So Spangled J.A. Key. I don't know what the earnings are going to look like tomorrow. I can't imagine that they've had a bad quarter, okay? And I don't know this either. I don't know how they're going to respond to their massive losses in Highcroft mining. They've lost like $14 million in Highcroft mining at this point. And that's a pretty heavy loss, right? So they're down on that. I don't know if they're just not going to talk about that loss in Highcroft mining or if they'll bring it up during their earnings report. But yeah, dude, the last thing that you want to see is them talking about the necessity of dilution or facing like financial hardship or financial bankruptcy if they don't dilute the stock any further. So watch out for those things in the earnings report, man. You want good news, not bad news. And dilution or bankruptcy would be very bad news. Where's mine, Clay Bro? Steve, you should have clicked on it, man. You should have got one. Shiba Inu gonna go to $1. Let's get it, Steve. I hope the Shiba Inu coin goes to $1. You're gonna need to burn 99+% of the coins before Shiba Inu coin gets to $1. 99.9% of the coins before Shiba Inu coin gets to $1. But I don't think it's possible if you burn that many coins. Everyone have a peak-a-tastic day. Do it! Can anyone see me? I can see you, Sky Stonify. This here is a rose for our beautiful queen, Lil Pika. Pika Power, please accept that rose from Simoninho right there. Pika, have a Pika-tastic day. Simon, man, thank you very much. Guys, it is past 1 o'clock. So we may go to the gas stations in between the live streams here and try to grab a lottery ticket there. I hope that all of you guys enjoy your afternoon. Absolutely. We will be back with the afternoon live stream. I'm going to get off here for now, so get your name in the chat. We'll do some shout-outs, and then we will be back. Raul, man, see you later. Spangled, catch you later. Danelle, JB, Steve Dawson, Pika Power, JB, Steve Dawson, man, Danelle, Pika Power, Sky Stonify, Spangled J, Mr. Simon, Pika Power, Summoning, yo, Pika Power, Pudgy, she accepted it. Good, Pika, good. Pudgy, man, see you later. Steve Dawson, a lottery ticket is LUNC. Get it, dude. Get it. It's got a little something on your nose. Fudgy, not afraid to call him out, man. Francis, enjoy your night or your morning. I don't even know what time it is for you now, Francis. You stay up way too late if you haven't gone to sleep yet. Lorenzo, enjoy your afternoon. Danelle, enjoy your afternoon. JB, man, fist bump to you. Love, oh yeah, thumbs up, and peace out. All of you guys. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. I was on 9, man. I was on 9. Pika Power. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Pika Power. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I was counting to 9. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Pika Power. Enjoy your afternoon, everybody. Pika, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. And now we shall leave again. So shout out to Francis, Steve, King Mamba, Pika Power, Arthur, Patrick, JB, Killer Peja, Francis, Pika Power, Raul, JB, all of you guys. You know what time it is. So you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh yeah, now she's faster. Now she's faster. Pika, I got you with the little unicorn horn, Pika. I got you with the little just the little unicorn horn. Oh man, just a sad little Thank you very much, Pika, for the unicorn horn on the freshly cut hair. Pika, enjoy your afternoon. It wasn't a very long one, yes, but I waited until it showed the end screen on YouTube, and then I went and started the count. Outdo, bro, man. Shout out to you, J-Bones, Pika Power, Arthur, Francis, JB, Pika Power, JB, Francis, JB, Old Router, Pika Power. All of you guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.